Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful baby crocheted frocks for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet frock designs. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see. Knitted patterns, easy patterns you can see in this my video. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy baby crochet frock designs, baby stylish frock designs. You can easily make these very beautiful frocks if you know crochet work. With matching boot designs, matching cap designs, hairband designs as you like. Stylish color combination contrasts you can see, beautiful light colors, dark colors. If you want to buy these very beautiful frocks online, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful frocks online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Or visit your shopping mall or market for buying these very beautiful baby crochet frock designs. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas.